as an architect, as a designer, as in a Vastu consultant, and also because I'm into coaching of Vastu, one thing that I would really suggest all of you to have is for you guys to please go and get your houses or space done as per Vastu. And I can't tell this to you enough, because in a personal experience, there was a time when I was unaware of Vastu. There was a time when I did not believe in Vastu, and there was a time where I did see a lot of repercussions because of it. And over the period of time, as I learned Vastu, as I started incorporating Vastu into my whole space in terms of remedy, I actually came to know that there were such simple remedies but had major drastic changes in my life. And that is why I'm saying the intent of Vastu is to make sure your energies of your space are positive so that you reap positive benefits. So irrespective if you believe in Vastu Shastra, irrespective if you believe in Feng Shui, whatever it is, any school of thought that deals with the understanding of energies of a space has to be balanced. Please do take proper consultation from both for you to reap its benefits. The reason being, during the course of my own learning journey in Vastu, I also tried a certain segment to cover and learn Feng Shui or Feng Shui in detail, because this I felt was something very similar in at least to a 30 to 40% to what Vastu had. Of course, there are distinct variations in design approach, but yes, there are some commonalities as per Vastu. So when I learned both of them, I understand that even though they have origins different, even though they have understandings and design approaches different, the fundamental core energy stays, that it helps in balancing energies within a space to make it harmonious, to make it residable, and to make it positive in nature, to help you reap all the good benefits into your life. So irrespective where you're from, who you are, where you're residing, if you want to make sure 25% of your life is balanced out, please do make sure you incorporate Vastu into your lives, especially into the spaces that you live and the spaces that you work. We do have separate sections in our YouTube channel as well, where we describe to you, even in Feng Shui, how to go about orienting your spaces and making them Feng Shui compliant, at least to a basic level, for both your homes and your office spaces. So you can look into that as well. Even in Vastu, we have multiple videos regarding best placements and all of that you can use, utilize, and incorporate into your space.